Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, 58 quarter is the high of the moment. That 65 area continues to be an open price. The upper band on the daily chart for the September contract is 42.72, so keep that in mind. We talked yesterday about a couple of things. We talked about consistent support going back into May at the 9-day exponential moving average, which is the blue line there. We also talked about multiple attempts to take out the weekly pivot. It happened back on Tuesday here, Thursday here, and yesterday they malingered there for a while and then broke it out right into the close. So it was a pretty simple day for us in the room. We were short. We waited this out because we were in a really nice short trade, and if you do get the break and run, there's another 20 handles on the other side of that. Once it couldn't do it and it cleared where it held weekly pivot and got up over the top of VWAP in the low 30s, well, then it was time to buy. We were long for that. Took profits in the overnight, and we're flat coming into the open today. So I'll be interested to see what happens here with the hourly midband. You've got hourly midband 46.75, VWAP 51 this morning. Our proprietary moving average is 49s, 5-minute midband 49. So really 47 to 51 is the area that somebody's going to have to take control of if they want to have the initial move today. What do the bulls want to do? They want to take out 58 quarter, make a run to 65, and see if it's really just ready to climb up with weekly pivot support on a Monday morning and the Fed tomorrow. If we're going to just glide on up and drag everybody up into 2 p.m. tomorrow, then I would expect at least by the time we get to the second half of the day, that is going to have revealed itself. So what do the bears want to do? Well, they want to take out 47 to 45, and they want to try to get back into those low 30s where they broke it out from yesterday to the upside. That's a pretty tall order, considering the amount of time that they had to take out weekly pivot yesterday. I mean, we're not talking about one of these. We're not talking about a hop and go here and here. We're talking about 1, 2, 3. We're talking about 4 hours of you had every opportunity. And now we're up here. So what tends to happen is you get some follow through. Bulls need to convert 55. That's going to be important. Then 58 quarter up into 64, 65 from there. It's one of these things where with regard to weekly pivot, you've had 3 huge opportunities for the bears in the last 6-7 sessions. And each time they demonstrate that it is support. And there's only so many times you're going to do that before they just stop going back to test it. And that's when we start sitting here going, well, it's been a couple weeks since we've seen weekly pivot. Well, yeah, because you saw it and you screwed up and it's gone. They're going to run it up and keep going. Now, a lot of that's going to have to do with tomorrow at 2 o'clock. But as far as today is concerned, hold 47 to 51. And you head higher. Convert it, then they can get back, they can get back towards the daily pivot down there around 40. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Come check out the room. Come check out the Facebook group. Check us out on Reddit. I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.